Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, it's likely due to a faulty charging port or a damaged cable. This issue can worsen over time, leading to complete failure to charge, which could leave you without a functioning device when you need it most. To resolve this, we need a few tools: a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and a replacement charging port. Now, let's get started on the repair. First, ensure your device is powered off to avoid any electrical hazards. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of your Acer N19H2, taking care not to damage the clips. Once opened, locate the charging port on the motherboard. You may find it secured with a couple of screws, so use the correct screwdriver to remove them. Be cautious as you lift the port, there may be delicate cables attached. Carefully disconnect any cables connected to the charging port, noting their positions for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Reconnect the cables gently, ensuring they fit snugly in place. Once everything is connected, replace the screws to secure the charging port firmly. Before closing the back cover, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris around the area with isopropyl alcohol. Now, carefully snap the back cover back into place, ensuring all clips are secure. Power on your Acer N19H2 to check if the charging issue is resolved. If it charges without needing to hold the cable at a specific angle, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you handle your charging cable with care, avoiding yanking or excessive bending. Regularly inspect the cable for any signs of wear and replace it if necessary. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.